Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MedPharmaco Essentials. So this is the third part of my video like how to do the thesis. So I request you all to watch the prior two videos on topic selection and the second one on protocol submission so that it will be easy for you all to understand this next one. Moving on to the next one is instruction, what a candidate should know when he's preparing the thesis or dissertation. So first of all, the page should be of A4 size and portrait orientation should be maintained and the normal margins should be present. Font size, you should remember that there should be Times New Roman. The text style should be in Times New Roman and the size should be in 12. And if you have a main heading, keep it in 14 and bold. And then if you have the subheadings, you can keep it in 12 and bold. I'll just give you an example. Suppose if this is your review, I'm just giving an example. Okay, if this is your review, what you have to do, you have to just select the whole text. You have to make it Times New Roman. Then moving on to the main heading. This is the main heading, so it has to be 16. The subheading will be around 14, we will adjust it. And the whole text, we have to adjust it to 12. Next, we will discuss about the margin and the numbering of the pages. Remember one thing, the headings, whatever are there, should always be bold. Usually, the line spacing, no, we do here the line spacing. That is, once you select the text, you can go here. So when you, usually for thesis, we do 1.5 as line spacing. And if it is dissertation, what we do is we keep 2 as the line spacing. So this is what we follow. You have to just select your text, go to home page, you will get justify here. So if you press justify, automatically this will become justified. Your para will be adjusted and justified here. Okay, so moving on to the page layout, here you have to click page layout. Here margin will be there, you have to press that. After that this screen appears. So margins at the top, bottom and the right side need to be 1 inch. That is nothing but 2.54 centimeter. You can write, you can convert it and write here. And at the left side you need 1.5 inch, that is 3.81 centimeter. It is because the binding and all takes space there. So when you bind your book or protocol, there's the space will be gone. So we maintain it as 1.5 inch. That is nothing but 3.81 centimeter. And you have to keep your orientation portrait. Okay. Thanks for watching the video guys, and next video, upcoming video will be based on preparation of data collection form for the research work. So bye, take care.